Good morning, students. This is the lesson of class 8th for the subject of geography, topic physical features of India, which is covered in chapter 10 India, location, political divisions and physical features, and is being submitted to you on 23rd of November 2020. So students, let us start with our topic physical features of India. India has a vast east-west and north-south extent. Hence, it has a variety of physical features such as northern mountains, northern plains, Thar Desert, Peninsula Plateau, coastal plains, and island regions. Now, we will discuss about these physical features in detail. The first physical feature is the Northern Mountains. The Northern Mountains consists of Himalayas and hills of northeast India. Together, they form the northern and northeastern boundaries of the country. The Himalayas, literally meaning, is abode of snow. It forms the highest mountain system in the world. The Himalayas consists of three main ranges that are almost parallel. These are number 1, Himadris. It is also known as the Greater Himalaya. It is the world's highest mountain range. It includes world's highest peaks as Mount Everest, Mount Godwin Austen, K2, Kanchenjunga, Makalu, and Annapurna. Many glaciers descend from Himadri, such as Gangotri, Yamunotri, from where the rivers originate. The second range is Himachal Range, also termed as Middle or Lesser Himalaya. This range runs parallel to the Himadris and lies to its south. This one. Dunes lie between Himachal and Shivalik Range. They are flat-bottomed longitudinal valleys. Some important ranges in this region are the Pir Panjal Range, Dhauladhar Range, Mussoorie, and Mahabharat Range. Now, The third range in this is Shivaliks. It is also called the Outer Himalayas. Shivaliks is known by different names in different places, like Jammu Hills, Miri, Abor, and Mishmi Hills in Arunachal Pradesh. Shivalik is not a continuous range as we have the others. Apart from that, we have the Purvanchal ranges. Purvanchal range or the northeast Himalayan ranges forms the eastern boundary of India. These are a series of low hills: Pitkaibam, Naga Hills in the north, Mizo Hills in the south, and Garo Khasi and Jaintia Hills in the middle. So now students, let us discuss about the significance of Himalayas. First, Himalayas forms a natural boundary in northern part of India. It serves as climatic barrier by stopping entry of cold winds from Central Asia and intercepting the southwest monsoon winds. Third, it is a source of perennial rivers such as Ganga, Indus, Brahmaputra, etc. It provides forest products as well as helpful for hydroelectricity generation. Now the second physical feature is Great Plains of North India. The northern plains include the lowlands of three major river systems. These are Indus River System, Ganga River System, and Brahmaputra and their tributaries. So now we will discuss about them. River Indus has its source in Kailash range. It has 5 tributaries, namely Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Byas, and Satluj. Second is River Ganga. River Ganga rises from Gangotri Glacier. Cutting through Shivalik, it enters the plains at Haridwar. The main tributaries of Ganga are Yamuna, Son, here it is, River Yamuna, Son, Ramganga, Ghagra, Gomti, Gandak, Kosi, etc. Next is the Brahmaputra river system. Brahmaputra river rises in Tibet near Lake Mansarovar and follow eastward as Sangpo. Its tributaries are Teesta, Dhansan, and Manas. The third physical feature is Thar Desert or the Great Indian Desert. This vast, sandy, low-lying plain with sandy ridges and shifting sand dunes lies mainly between Aravallis in the east and Sindh Desert of Pakistan in the west. It lies primarily in northwestern Rajasthan. The region receives very little rain, less than 25 centimeter annually. High temperature here evaporates the moisture, hence region lacks water resources. The river Luni is the only significant river in this region, but carries little water and forms an inland drainage system. Sambar Lake is a saltwater lake here. The fourth physical feature is the Peninsula Plateau. Here it is shown with this yellowish color. Peninsula Plateau is an ancient landmass formed by old igneous and metamorphic rocks. It has a broad base in the north and narrows down as it reaches Kanyakumari and forms a triangular shape. Aravalli Range, Vindhya Range, Satpura and Rajmahal ranges lies to its north. This plateau is divided by river Narmada. Here it is, river Narmada into two parts. One is Central Highlands and the other is Deccan Plateau. The region lies to the north of river Narmada is termed as Central Highlands, which includes Malwa Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau, Bundelkhand and Bagelkhand Plateau. The region lies below Narmada River or to the south of river Narmada is termed as Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau has Vindhya Range to its north, Western Ghats and Western Ghats in the west and Eastern Ghats in the east. Right? All the rivers of Peninsula Plateau rising in the Western Ghats as River Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, which flows into Bay of Bengal, except for River Narmada and River Tapi, which drains into Gulf of Kambhat in Arabian Sea. The fifth physical feature is the coastal plains. India has a long coastline. The region between the Deccan Plateau and the sea has a flat coastal plains, both on the western Arabian Sea side and eastern part, Bay of Bengal side. This meets at the southernmost tip of Indian mainland, Kanyakumari. Eastern coastal plains are much wider and more leveled than the western coastal plains. Now, the next physical feature is the island regions. Andaman and Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep Islands are the two groups of islands belonging to India. Lakshadweep is also the smallest union territory of India. Nicobar Islands are, are located to the south of Andaman's 10-degree channel separates Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The Lakshadweep Island or 100,000 are the coral islands. It comprises of 36 islands as Amini, Agati, Kavarati and Kilton Islands. So students, this is all about the physical features of India. With this, I conclude this interactive session. Thank you.